हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब। आज हम करेंगे इंग्लिश के 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs ऑन द टॉपिक नरेशन। सो अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी जल्दी कर लो, कर लिया है तो वेरी गुड। एंड इंग्लिश के MCQs प्रैक्टिस करने से पहले आप चैनल पे ही पहले थ्योरी क्लासेस कराई गई है, तो आप वो क्लासेस पहले करके आओ, देन आप MCQs प्रैक्टिस करो तो आपको ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेगा। एंड उन क्लासेस की प्लेलिस्ट की लिंक आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में मिल जाएगी। सो पहले आप वो करके आओ। विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। क्वेश्चन 1, ही सेड आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल। व्हाट इज द इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन। इसका इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन कौन सा है। ऑप्शन ए, ही सेड दैट ही इज गोइंग टू स्कूल। बी, ही सेड दैट ही वॉज गोइंग टू स्कूल। सी, he said that he had gone to school. D, he said he goes to school. So इसमें प्रेजेंट है I am going to school. So इसका इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में हम इसको ये प्रेजेंट में तो हम इसको पास्ट में लिखेंगे, am का was आ जाएगा। So he said that he was going to school. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2, she said to me you are very intelligent. Option A, she told me that I am very intelligent. B, she told me that you are very intelligent. C, she told me that I was very intelligent. D, she told me that he was very intelligent. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, she told me that I was very intelligent. Question 3, he said I have completed the work. Option A, he said that he has completed the work. B, he said that he had completed the work. C, he said that he completed the work. D, he said that he will complete the work. So I have का had आ जाएगा. So he said that he had completed the work. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4, the teacher said the earth revolves around the sun. Option A, the teacher said that the earth revolved around the sun. B, the teacher said that the earth had revolved around the sun. C, the teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun. D, the teacher said that the earth will revolve around the sun. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है, क्योंकि ये एक इवेंट है जो डेली होता है, ये यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है। सो ये एज इट इज आएगा, द टीचर सेड दैट द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन।
आगे बढ़ने से पहले इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन, जो आपका यूपी एंड उत्तराखंड का ANM GNM एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है, उसकी फुल प्रिपरेशन कराई गई है इस कोर्स में, जो कि हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश मीडियम बोथ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगी। कंटेंट तो इंग्लिश में है बट आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन बोथ लैंग्वेजेस में मिल जाएगी, और लेक्चर्स रिकॉर्डेड रहेंगे, मॉक टेस्ट PYQ सब मिल जाएंगे आपको, नोट्स की PDF। अगर आपको डेमो देखना है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में उसकी लिंक मिल जाएगी डेमो लेक्चर्स की। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, लास्ट ईयर की उत्तराखंड GNM टॉपर गरिमा बिस्ट ने इसी बैच से तैयारी की थी, तो सिलेक्शन रेट 100% है अगर आप डेडिकेटेड होके कोर्स को फॉलो करो। एंड इसका प्राइस है 1199, बट कुछ टाइम के लिए ऑफ़र रखा गया है 599, तो जल्दी से जल्दी एनरोल कर लो इफ़ आप इंटरेस्टेड हो। और अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो तो दी गई टेलीग्राम ID पे मैसेज कर दीजिए। लेट्स प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Question 5, he said I will help you. Option A, he said that he would help me. B, he said that he will help me. C, he said that he would help you. B, he said he will be helping me. So I will help you का आ जाएगा he said that he would help me. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6, she said I was playing chess. Option A, she said that she is playing chess. B, she said that she has been playing chess. C, she said that she had been playing chess. D, she said she played chess. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा ऑप्शन सी, she said that she had been playing chess. Question 7, he said to me, do you like ice cream? Option A, he asked me Do you like ice cream? B. He asked me that I like ice cream. C. He asked me if I like ice cream. D. He asked me if I liked ice cream. So जब भी क्वेश्चन आएगा do, did, has, ये सब से जब क्वेश्चन शुरू होता है तो इसमें डेट नहीं आता, इसमें इफ आता है. सो ही आस्क्ड मी इफ आई liked ice cream. Option D is the correct answer. Question 8. She said, I can solve this problem. Option A. She said that she could solve that problem. B. She said that she can solve this problem. C. She said that she could solve this problem. D. She said she would solve the problem. तो दिस का डेट आ जाता है and can का could. So option A is the correct answer. She said that she could solve that problem. Question 9. Ram said I may go there. Option A. Ram said that he might go there. B. Ram said that he may go there. C. Ram said he would go there. D. Ram said that he can go there. So may का might आ जाता है. So option A is the correct answer. Ram said that he might go there. Question 10. He said I must study hard. Option A. He said that he had to study hard. B. He said that he must study hard. D. He said he must studied hard. D. He said he studied hard. So इसका correct answer आ जाएगा option A. He said that he had to study hard. Question 11. She said to me, please help me. Option A. C told me to please help her. B. She requested to help her. C. She asked to help me. D. She requested that I help her. So जहाँ पे please आ जाता है वहाँ पे said asked नहीं आएगा, वहाँ पे request आएगा because please shows request. So option B is the correct answer. She requested me to help her. Question 12. He said, let us go for a walk. Option A. He said, let us go for a walk. B. He suggested that we should go for a walk. C. He said we should go for a walk. D. He advised to go for a walk. So इसका correct answer आ जाएगा option B. He suggested that we should go for a walk. Question 13. She said, who are you? A. She asked who I was. B. She asked who you are. C. She said who are you. D. She asked who was I. So इसका correct option हो जाएगा option A. She asked who I was. Question 14. He said to her, don't touch it. Option A. He said her not to touch it. B. He told her not to touch it. C. He told her don't touch it. D. He said not to touch it. So इसका correct answer आएगा option B. He told her not to touch it. Question 15. She said, alas, I have failed. Option A. She said with grief that she had failed. B. She said that she had failed. C. She exclaimed that she failed. D. She exclaimed sadly that she had failed. अल्लास मतलब दुख भरे तरीके में बोल. So she exclaimed sadly that she failed. Option D is the correct answer. Question 16. He said, hurrah, we have won the match. Option A. He said that they won the match. B. He said happily that they had won the match. C. He exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. D. He said with joy that we had won the match. So इसका correct answer हो जाएगा option B. Option C. He exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Question 17. Rohan said to me, when are you coming? Option A. Rohan asked me when I am coming. B. Rohan told me when I was coming. C. Rohan asked me when I was coming. D. Rohan said to me when I was coming. So ये क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन में इफ़ नहीं आता, व्हेन, व्हाट, डब्ल्यू, हाउ, इनमें कभी इफ़ नहीं आता, जैसे मैंने डू का बोला था। सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी, रोहन आस्क्ड मी व्हेन आई वाज कमिंग। क्वेश्चन 18, शी सेड व्हाई डिड यू लाई टू मी। ऑप्शन ए, शी आस्क्ड why had I lied to her. B, she asked why I lied to her. C, she asked why I had lied to her. D, she asked me why I had lied to her. So इसका ऑप्शन हो जाएगा C, she asked why I had lied to her. So option C is the correct answer. Question 19, he said to me, how do you do. Option A, he asked me how I did. B, he greeted me and asked how I did. C, he greeted me and said how do you do. D, he said how I did. सॉरी, यहाँ पे बिजली कड़क रही है, बारिश आ रही है, सो बैकग्राउंड में आपको थोड़ा नॉइज़ आ रहा होगा, सो सॉरी फॉर दैट। सो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा, गैस करो। ही सेड टू मी हाउ डू यू डू, इसका करेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, he greeted me and asked how I did. Question 20, the boy said let me go. Option A, the boy said to let him go. B, the boy requested to let him go. C, the boy requested that he might be allowed to go. D, the boy ordered to let him go. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा ऑप्शन सी, the boy requested that he might be allowed to go. Option C is the correct answer. सो दैट वॉज इट फॉर टुडेज क्लास। कैसा लगा आपको आज का सेशन, एंड 20 में से आपके कितने MCQs करेक्ट हुए, मेंशन इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। एंड आप पहले वो क्लास लेके आ जाओ जिसकी लिंक कमेंट सेक्शंस में, इंग्लिश की थ्योरी क्लासेस, ताकि आपको थ्योरी क्लियर हो जाए, फिर आप MCQ प्रैक्टिस करो तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहे आपके लिए। एंड कोई गलती हुई हो मुझसे, अगर आपको लगता है कोई क्वेश्चन का आंसर कुछ और होना चाहिए था, मैंने कुछ और बोला है, तो यू कैन कमेंट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, आई विल लुक आफ्टर इट। एंड अगर आपको फुल लेंथ कोर्स चाहिए जो कि 0 to एडवांस लेवल है, 1 मंथ में कंप्लीट करा दिया जाएगा। उसमें यूपी एंड उत्तराखंड के ANM एंड GNM के सारे टॉपिक्स, चैप्टर्स और सारे सब्जेक्ट्स कराए गए हैं। तो आप अगर इंटरेस्टेड हो तो उसके डेमो लेक्चर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में लिंक है उसकी, वो आप देख सकते हो। देखने के बाद अगर आप सेटिस्फाइड हो तभी आप ज्वाइन करना, अदरवाइज हमारी ये सीरीज़ तो चल ही रही है, इससे प्रिपेयर करते रहो। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी जल्दी कर लो। थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, दैट वाज इट।